So let's talk about communicating with your students using the Securely Teacher tools. One of the first things that I want to show you is how to send an announcement to a device. Again, I could select particular students and then use this announcement button, or I can just click Announce and send it to all devices. You type in your announcement in the screen, you click the Announce button, and watch the screen over on the right. It pops up in a little box, and the student actually has to click OK before they can be returned to their regular screen. So it does force them to take some action before the message disappears. That's a great way to push announcements for your whole class or just to a particular few students, again, by just selecting the student before you press Announce. So now let's talk about using the chat function. You'll remember that when I first started this class, I chose to not let students start chatting. But now maybe I need to send a chat message to a student. So right next to a student screen, I see the chat button. When I click on this chat, it opens up this chat box. So I can actually click into the chat box and send a message to that student. I type in my message, I click send. I want you to see what happens on the student device. The student gets a little pop-up that's kind of glowing, and then they can click on the message, they see the chat, and then they can respond. You have to remember as a teacher that if you're sharing your screen, as I am here, other students in the class will be able to see your messages. So something to keep in mind if you are displaying your screen in a Meet or sharing your screen to the class. When they're finished with the chat, they can close the window, and anytime a new chat comes in, they can click on this little chat bubble, and they also can move it to other places on their screen to get it out of the way. So that's using Announce and a chat.